Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Y'all, this morning was crazy. I was able to get all of these items not only for free, but I made over $13 buying all of it. So I'm going to walk you through each of these deals step by step. That way you can replicate it as well. I also saw some awesome 90% off clearance finds that I'll tell you about. And I'm going to be telling you about something that I think you're going to find particularly helpful with regard to shopping at Walgreens. Before I get into the deals, I want to tell you about Slick Deals. They have a super awesome browser extension that's not only free, but it finds the best deals for you. Even better, these deals are found and verified by their community of users, and it legit is the largest community of deal finders out there. Y'all, this is crazy helpful for Walgreens, and I'm gonna show you why here in a minute, but this is what you do. Get the browser extension using my link below. Crazy easy. And then when you are shopping, it is automatically going to find not only the best deals, but it's going to find coupon codes for you. When you go to the Slick Deals website, you can look for deals based on what is trending. But what I like with the browser extension is that I can go directly to the retailer that I want to shop at. So let's say Walgreens or Walmart. And then the browser extension is going to pop up a little Slick Deals icon. If I click on that, it's going to pull up the deals. It's going to show me coupon codes. Super awesome savings tool that they have. And when you find a product that you're interested in buying and you click on it, it also gives you like comments from members where they've talked about the product or they've talked about the deal. Crazy helpful information. Let me just quickly show you a couple of things that I found. When I was on the Slick Deals website, I was looking at trending deals because those are the ones that the members have verified and they get pushed up higher into that trending category. And so I found a $25 Chipotle gift card for just $22.50. I also found something I had been looking for, and I never would have found this deal had I not used Slick Deals. It's a kettlebell from Walmart, and it was marked like almost 70% off, and I would have had no idea to be looking for that. So great tip on finding clearance deals. But I also was on Walgreens, and you know we are always looking for those promo codes that we can enter with our curbside orders. Slick Deals is a total game changer for this. So once you get that extension, go to the Walgreens website. You're gonna see Slick Deals pop up on the right-hand side. When you click on that, you're gonna see coupons. When I clicked on the coupons, there were over 15 coupon codes that had been verified by different users. So super helpful. Again, I will drop that link down in the description box as well as the comments for you to go ahead and get the free extension and start taking advantage of Slick Deals. Okay, now let's talk about these fantastic deals over at Walgreens. Let's go ahead and knock out the clearance deals first. Of course, I will include pictures of clearance items at the end of the video, but I found these Dixie bowls as well as, what I'm leaning on here, as well as these Dixie cups, 90% off, so they were 48 cents each. The plates, this huge pack of plates, 90 plates, these were 65 cents. So definitely check your Walgreens for that clearance. I also found these Skittles. It's the Pride variety, so there were a couple of different faces to this, but look for like a rainbow colors. They were originally like $5.70 marked on clearance for 57 cents, but it gets even better because there is a shop kick offer that gives us $2.40 back. So that means I got this bag completely free and $1.83 moneymaker. Amazing. Now, I'm going to walk you through these deals individually. I'm going to tell you how I put them together. I did use a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. And then I did a different deal with a paper booster. I haven't had a paper booster in forever, but this one was spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens Cash. So I'm going to show you how I used both of those as well. Just realized I forgot to tell you about this. this little clearance guy here, 78 cents for this pack. And I thought this was cool because, I mean, of course I have hand sanitizers, but it has cleaning wipes, it has gloves, and then there was something else in there. Some masks. So I thought this was simple to throw in like a first aid kit, and it would be convenient to have on hand. All right, easy deal. Anyone can do at Walgreens. These complete home bags. So the freezer bags, not Ziploc, I call them Ziplocs, but that's the brand name. So it's a Walgreens variety of sandwich bags, quart size bags. They're all buy one, get one free. So I got these for $2.79 total. That makes them just $1.39 each. And I put those into a spend booster. So I'll tell you about that here in a minute. Now the Febreze, easy deal. There are two different $2.30 coupons. These two small spaces and then the car vent, these are priced at $3.29. So after that $2.30 coupon, you'll pay just 99 cents per item. Now the Compede, I did this one because there's an Ibotta rebate for it. The Compede, these are $9.99. I just had the $3 store digital coupon. There is a manufacturer coupon out there. So if you have that one or you have the digital for it still, this deal gets even better. I just had the store digital at $3. So I paid $6.99, getting $5 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $1.99. Again, a deal anyone can do. The Colgate this week, $3.99 each. There is a $4 digital coupon. When you buy two of these, you're gonna get $4 in Walgreens cash. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. Minus the $4 coupon, you'll pay $3.98. You'll get $4 back in Walgreens cash, making them completely free. You can use Walgreens cash to pay and you'll still get Walgreens cash back. Now, that's what I put together for my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I grabbed two of the Colgates, two of the bags, the two Febrezes, and the Compede. When I put all of that together, I have my little cheat sheet here. When I put all of that together, and I got the money back from Ibotta, and I got the Walgreens cash back here, and I got that $5 back for spending 20, it made my final cost for all of those items together just $1.76. So not a bad deal when you start building it together with those spend boosters. Now, the Baby Ruth. Let me tell you about this deal. It does come and go. So take my advice. Double check Swagbucks right before you walk into the store and submit your receipt right away. These are 2 for $2.50 at Walgreens. And Swagbucks has an offer for buy 2, get $3 back. So you can see that's completely free and a moneymaker. But the offer is a limit of 4 per day. So that's 4 times 2, because it's buy 2, get 3. So you buy 8 of these bad boys. That's a total of $10. I submitted all 8 on one receipt. And I got back $12 on Swagbucks, so completely free and a $2 moneymaker. And this is a great deal to add into a spend deal because you're spending $10, but you're getting $12 back, and that gets you $10 towards whatever you need to spend for your spend deal. So awesome deal, but it does come and go quickly, so definitely check your app before buying it. Now, this past week, I had done an Olay deal in store. I posted it to Instagram, and it generated an $8 Catalina for the Olay body wash. So here is how I did this deal. I picked up 2 of the Olay body washes at $8. So that's $16. I used the $8 Catalina coupon that I got last week. So I paid $8 at the register. I got back $5 for spending $15. I got back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of them, making it completely free and a $1 moneymaker, but it also printed an $8 Catalina for a Olay face product. So I went and I picked up the Olay Regenerist Cream Cleanser at $8.79. I used that $8 Catalina that I had just been given, and I paid 79 cents for this, and it generated another $8 coupon for the body wash. So you can see you could keep doing that deal back and forth. Great deal on these Olay products, especially if you love Olay products. Now, if you have questions on that, let me know down in the comments. And I used one of those $5 P&G coupons from last week to pay for this. So amazing deal using those P&G coupons. Now, a CoverGirl deal. Again, anyone could do this one. These are $4.49 each. You want to buy 2 of them. I know I only have one right here, but grab 2 of them. There is a $5 digital coupon as well as money back on Ibotta. So buying 2 with that $5 digital coupon, you'll pay $3.98, but then you're going to get back $6 on Ibotta, making them both completely free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, I also found this Aleve on clearance for $1.79, and I had a Fetch Rewards offer for $2.50 back on this product, so that made this completely free and a 71-cent moneymaker. Now, the other Procter & Gamble deal that I did was on the toothbrushes and the Old Spice. So, the toothbrushes, they were actually tagged $4, but when I got to the register, they rang $3 for these Bacteria Blast. So 2 at $3 is $6. Then I got 3 of the Old Spice deodorants. They are 2 for $12, but I bought 3 of them, so that's $18 for those. I had a $5 digital for the Old Spice. I didn't even realize I had a digital coupon for the Oral-B because when I scanned it, it didn't show that I did. But a $3 coupon came off, so that must have been an older coupon. So I paid $16 for all 5 of those products. I got back a $5 register reward for the Oral-B. I got back a $5 register reward for spending $15. And I got back a $5 register reward for spending at least $20 in personal care products. And I got back $2 each on Ibotta for the Oral-B toothbrushes, making it all free and a $3 moneymaker. So great deal on those products. I'm probably going to come out with a second video this week on how I'm choosing to use those $5 Procter & Gamble coupons because a lot of people have been asking, like, what can I buy with it? There are tons of Procter & Gamble products. One great deal to use it on, the Tide, Bounce, and Downy products are 4 for $9 this week, and you could use those register rewards to pay that balance down. So lots of amazing deals this week at Walgreens. I think I hit everything. When I add everything up, it was all free and like a $12 moneymaker. It was a ridiculous week at Walgreens. So definitely get to your store, look for those clearance finds, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll come out with a second Walgreens video this week. And don't forget to grab that Slick Deals browser extension. I will drop the link down below. That way you always score the best coupon codes at Walgreens, and it's finding you other amazing deals as you're shopping. Thanks.